the real benefits of buying a home in 2025 and why now is the perfect time to invest. Hi, I'm Natalie Green, licensed real estate agent in New York City. Are you on the fence about buying a home? I get it. Home ownership can feel like a big, powerful leap, especially when renting seems so much easier. But if you're ready to make the jump, there are powerful reasons to why buying a home in 2025 makes perfect sense. Let's break it down and look at why now is the perfect time to consider buying and how I can help you make this dream a reality. Buying builds wealth over time. When you rent, you're making a payment that helps your landlord build wealth over time. But when you buy a home, every mortgage payment you make builds on your own equity. As home values increase over time, so does the value of your investment. In fact, studies show that home prices tend to rise steadily, meaning the earlier you buy, the more your property is likely to appreciate in value. This turns your monthly payments into an asset rather than an expense. Renting comes with rising costs. Rent might feel more affordable in the short term, but rents have been steadily rising across the country, especially here in New York City where we live. In fact, over the decades, rent prices have significantly increased, and chances are that yours will keep going up. When you rent, you're not building equity, you're paying a monthly fee for the right to live in somebody else's property with absolutely no return on that money you've invested. By contrast, buying a home locks in your payments and helps you build financial security. Another reason homeownership makes sense is stability and long term financial success. One of the biggest advantages of buying a home is the stability it provides. While renting comes with uncertainty like lease renewals and rising rents, home ownership offers predictability. You can lock in a fixed rate mortgage and avoid those constant rent hikes. Plus, you're building wealth every single month as you pay off your mortgage and your home appreciates in value. It's also a pathway to building your net worth. Did you know that 79% of homeowners believe owning a home is a great financial investment? That's because home ownership is one of the most reliable ways to build wealth over time. With each mortgage payment, you're increasing your stake in a valuable asset. Unlike renting, which benefits your landlord, home ownership gives you the opportunity to benefit from the rising value of your home and pay down your mortgage, boosting your net worth in the process. Is homeownership right for you? That's the question. Now I know buying a home can feel overwhelming, especially in today's market where home prices and mortgage rates are all over the place. But if you can make the numbers work, the benefits of home ownership far outweighs those of renting. If you're ready to take the next step, let's talk. I'm here to help guide you through the process and to help you find the perfect home just for you. Bottom line, don't miss out on the opportunity to build wealth. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, buying a home is the way to go. Don't let the rising rents hold you back. Let me help you make a smart, long-term investment today. Reach out to explore your options and see what homes are available in your budget. Together, we can find something that fits not just your budget, but also your lifestyle and to help you build your future. Contact me today and let's make your dream home a reality in 2025. Please like, subscribe, share this with a friend, and I'll see you next time.